beautiful style is called Lustrous. And I love the length, I love the layers. It has very subtle texture. I didn't style this at all. I took it out of the box, just brushed through the top just a little bit, and the rest I just finger styled. I love the natural texture. I love the length. It's a little bit below the shoulder, but very manageable, and it is heat friendly, so you can add tighter curl, you can match your own texture, or you can make it super straight. And I love the full bangs. So this one does come with full bangs, and it has a really, really modern look to it, and I love this color. This is R630H, so it's a medium brown, and it has a little bit of an auburn toned highlight, but it's perfect for every day. Maybe it looks like your own hairstyle, maybe it's your hairstyle with the bang, or just a little bit more texture. I love that this texture is gonna last through any type of weather and even after you wash it. This is the cap construction for the style Lustrous. And I want you to really take a look at how beautifully made wigs are. Every wig is hand finished, so it's really detailed work if you didn't know. But the inside of the cap at the front has a very soft velvet line to keep it comfortable and secure. And the closing in the sections plus the crown where it's a circle kind of tells you what the style is going to look like. This style has a full bang that comes forward from the crown, and that's why it's made that way. So it'll have a little bit of teasing there, and the openings throughout let the air come through for coolness. It stretches really nicely, and you can adjust it with the straps at the nape of the neck. The ear tabs have a little bit of a hidden weft, so the wefting comes through the inside so that when you pull the hair off of the face, it still conceals and looks really natural. The ear tabs also bend. Make sure they're really flat to cover your own hair and hairline, but it's so lightweight and comfortable, and it really adds to the style.